With ITC Infotech's Factory Command and Control Center, you can now leverage the power of data and analytics to enhance operational excellence. Be more agile, more customer-centric, and drive innovation across the shop floor. Our Factory Command and Control Center provides a real-time view of operations and performance. Accurate data and intelligent analytics eliminates the guesswork, enabling informed decision-making, giving manufacturers the ability to act fast, reduce costs, and optimize resource utilization. Our solution provides centralized performance management through enterprise-wide visualization with KPIs, dashboards, and real-time data. An inbuilt configurator allows users to select different data sources through easy drag-and-drop feature and customize dashboards through data visualization controls. Select functionalities most relevant to your business and get your Factory Command and Control Center up and running in no time. See ITC Infotech's Factory Command and Control Center in action. Simplify operational performance monitoring with the ability to drill down across the entire enterprise, from a global level to each region, to individual plants and departments, right down to each line. View granular data in real time across operational performance indicators, including costs, efficiencies, customer complaints, inventory, and safety. Monitor performance across the entire plant and equipment at the shop floor, allowing for proactive action on potential issues. With ITC Infotech's Factory Command and Control Center, integrate large and complex data sets, transforming enterprise-wide data into real-time insights. Customize interactive dashboards specific to different roles and business users. Analyze data further while building unique KPIs and metrics for targeted analysis and actions. Translate insights into actions through live alerts and integration with external systems, reducing turnaround time while enabling enterprise-wide collaboration. ITC Infotech's Factory Command and Control Center transforms factories into a continuously evolving, fully connected, flexible ecosystem.